It's summer 2022 and tonight is our annual epic fireworks show at Lake Powell. Our family does this every year during 4th of July during our houseboat trip. Enjoy the show. Details on where to buy are afterwards. So tonight we're doing the fireworks. So the boys are outside setting it all up. It's a really incredible fireworks show. A few $1,000s is spent on it and it's always the highlight of our trip because we live in California and we can never do fireworks. Here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum.
But if it wasn't for that old sheriff, I'd be back in Tennessee, playing cards and crap games, not looking.
Kyle, you want any of these?
If I had
Dragon.
back home.
Where's that at? Hey.
I'll never know why this place is so crazy with filming. It makes no sense. People know they can come here and get aerial fireworks. It's on an Indian reservation. I don't know why they're so crazy. They told me some YouTuber filmed the prices once and made fun of them. But anyways, we got our lot.
Buy yourself a postcard, see the lights of town.
I think it goes without saying that fireworks are dangerous and you need to be careful. And if you make the decision to use fireworks and aerials of this nature at Lake Powell or other places, make sure that you do a really good job of cleaning up, having water on hand in case there is something that happens. We really enjoy doing them at Lake Powell because it is the middle of the desert. There's very little that can catch on fire. But with that in mind, still you need to be aware that fires can happen in a very dry environment. Setting these mortars off, you can get burned. It's not like this is for the faint of heart. It's a big deal. We take it seriously. And if you choose to do this, I hope you do too. I hope you safely enjoy your summer activities. For additional insight on Lake Powell Summer 2022, make sure to watch my other videos linked here.